Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this video today. And in this video, I really want to share an idea with you, an aspect of the Make Money Page system, okay? Tony Robbins says that the path to success is to take massive, determined action. Now, one of the things that I try to encourage people, and I try to encourage it in my own life, is that, and that is to be honest, with where you are, how you feel about certain things, okay? But certainly when you're thinking about building a business, creating wealth online, you want to be honest with where you are and where you want to go. So my question for you today is have you ever, taken massive determined action to build your online business if you desire to build an online business? Because the way that you're going to get it done is to take that massive determined action. Now, you may have to work your business, part-time or spare time, but are you doing something every day to see your business advance? And, so that's a very important thing to think about. Pablo Picasso says that action is the foundational key to all success. So as you could tell, action is very important. And, sadly, what happens to a lot of people is they get involved in a business and they never do much. They don't take the action required to see the business grow. With the Make Money Page system, we're here to help people to grow their business, okay? And part of what we do is to help people to personalize their marketing and advertising to set them apart from other people that are marketing and advertising, perhaps even the same opportunity. Mark Twain said this: the secret of getting ahead is getting started. So I want to share with you a thought real quick, and then I'm going to close this video down, but stay with me for the next minute or so. Okay, so here I am on my Make Money page, and this is where I want you to come to take a look at what we have to offer. There's some information here that if you're serious about building a business, a home-based business, to make extra money online, etc., then we've got something exciting for you, okay? But I really want to share this with you, so I'm going to move this down and take you here to where it says Get Started. And more will be added to this site, but it's ready to go, full of information for you. And if you're serious about this idea of taking massive determined action, then we want you to partner with us, okay? And we're going to help you to build your business. We're going to have encouragement for you, support. We'll even help you build a personal web page for your business if that's what you want to do. So there's a lot of things that we offer to help you. But I want you to come to program number 1, okay? And for this example, sure, you can look at other things as well, but program number 1, you can get started on the first level for $39.95 one time, okay? One time. I want you to think about this. And you can make $25 payments over and over again. And so the idea is to begin to think about and begin to get daily payments, okay? Every single day, at least average $25 to $50 per day for 30 days, for a month, okay? So if you were to average $25 per day for 30 days, okay, then you would generate $750. That's something to think about. That's powerful stuff. If you were to make $50 per day, okay, average that in 30 days, then you would make $1,500 per month. Okay, that's pretty powerful. All right, and so it can be done, and we can show you and help you how to do it. But you've got to get started. You've got to be serious. You have to have that passion in your heart that you want to change the direction of your life. Now, in closing, I want to share this with you. There's a lot of information here. As you can see, there's supporting programs for you that's going to help you to advertise and market your business. We also have some co-op solo advertising stuff that we can do together to help you. So there are many ways it's going to help you to build your business. But I want you to get this. It's 100% free. $1,250 travel savings cash now. I'm going to give that to you for taking time to listen to this video. Okay, so there you have it, and that's an aspect of the Make Money page system. All right, so come here. Plus, I've got some exciting information that as you access the information, you're going to get some exciting stuff that I'm going to send you through email. And guess what? It's absolutely free. Doesn't cost you anything to check out the information. And if you're serious again about taking massive action to change your future, your financial destiny, I want you to get started with us today. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. You be blessed. Grab that link. Get started today. Bye-bye now.